Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about 10th chapter of class 10 and the name of the chapter is light, reflection and refraction. What is light? It is a form of energy which enables us to see things. Now some properties of light. First one is it is electromagnetic wave, that means it need no medium to travel. Second one is it travel in straight line. It has a dual nature. It acts as a particle or as a wave. It casts shadow when from the opposite side the source of light fall on it. The speed of the light in vacuum is 3 × 10⁸ meter per second. When light fall on a surface, two phenomena occur: reflection of light and refraction of light. Reflection means when surface is shiny and refraction means when surface is transparent. Now, what is reflection of light? Reflection of light means when light bounces back after striking a polished surface, that is known as reflection of light. And the laws of reflection. First law is angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. The incident ray, normal ray and reflected ray all lie in same plane. This is the diagram of the laws of reflection or reflection of light. That incident ray fall on the plane that is reflected as a reflected ray, and the ray between the incident ray and reflected is known as normal ray. The angle formed by incidence ray is known as angle of incidence, and the angle formed by reflected ray is known as angle of reflection. The surface is polished. Angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. That means if angle of incidence is equal to 30 degree, that angle of reflection must be equal to angle of 30 degree. So first law is proved. Second law, incidence ray, normal ray and reflected all lie in same plane. Now what is image? It is a point where two rays actually meet or they appears to be meet. So this may be of two kinds. It may be of real image and it may be of virtual image. Real image, the rays actually meet in this. In virtual image, rays appears to be meet. Real image can be obtained on screen. Virtual image cannot be obtained on screen. Real image is always inverted and virtual image is always erect. Erect means straight. Now, formation of image on plane mirrors. This is the axis. This is a plane mirror. Here the object is placed. When a ray from the object fall on the mirror, it gets reflected at the same path and from the object a ray of light fall on the point and get reflected by making the same angle of reflection. Now the two reflected rays are apart from each other. They move in different directions, so they can't meet each other anytime. So we draw imaginary lines to meet these reflected rays to form the image. When these two imaginary lines meet, an image is formed of the object of same size and at the same distance. Now, characteristics of image. Image formed is virtual and erect because the rays appear to be meet. They are not actually meet. Size of the image is equal to size of object. Image is formed at the same distance as behind the object. It is laterally inverted. Inverted means left hand side appears on the right hand